Having IRS Help in our corner and working with them gave me and the team a great deal of confidence. I feel blessed that we followed through and reached out to them.
The entire experience of finding them and having them help me allowed me to live a wonderful, wealthy life.
I set up my first IRA when I was like 8 years old. We used to go in and my father would have us do mailings to all the federal tax liens. So my father would have us stuff all the envelopes as kids in the basement at the office. Taxes is something I just understand, and I'm good at math, so it kind of all went hand in hand. I was probably the only person in high school that knew how to read a W-2 and a 1040. My father used to make me read Susie Orman's books all the time. I went to college at Boston University, and then I came back home and got my master's degree from Canisius and started working at the business. A lot of our clients have become parts of our family. A bunch of other clients we have also become very close family friends, and they all started first by becoming clients. When people first come to us, they're typically scared, and they feel a lot more calm when you can relate to them on a personal level, as opposed to just talking with someone over a phone and being very rigid. Talking to them and knowing them on a more personal basis helps to relax them a little bit. We had a client that we were trying to figure out to do a payment plan or an offer in compromise, and we were trying to figure out where his money was going. The individual was a doctor, so he was a high earner. And as we got to know the individual, we found out that his wife had MS. So that's where the money was going. And he never even thought to tell us that. I knew how expensive it was. He never even thought of that as being an issue until we started, talking to him on a more personal basis to try to figure out exactly what was going on with his finances. So when I complete the financial statement for the client, I was able to reduce his monthly income by an allowable expense, which was the prescriptions that he was paying for his wife. I think what's rewarding is being able to help people get back on their feet and help them solve their problems. So it's nice to be able to tell people, this problem is not the end of the world. There's a solution. We just got to figure out how to get to the solution and then move forward from there.